Are you tired of endlessly scrolling through your Hotmail inbox looking for that one email? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to sort your Hotmail by date, making it faster and easier than ever to find what you need. Whether it's an important message from last week or you just want a clean, organized inbox, this guide has you covered. First, open your web browser and go to the Outlook login page. Once there, click the Sign In button in the top right corner. Enter your Hotmail email address and password carefully. Double check for typos so you don't get stuck after logging in. You'll land in your Outlook account. If you don't see your emails right away, click the mail icon on the left sidebar to access your inbox. Now, in your inbox, you'll see a toolbar at the top. Look for the sort icon, often represented by arrows or a filter symbol. Click it and a drop-down menu will appear. From the options, select date. Instantly, your emails will reorganize so the most recent ones appear at the top. This makes it super easy to keep up with ongoing conversations and quickly locate older messages. And just like that, your Hotmail inbox is neatly sorted by date. Keeping your emails organized not only saves time, but also helps you stay focused and productive every day. Make this a habit, and you'll never waste time hunting for important emails again. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, check out our other videos for more simple tech tips that make your digital life easier.